latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, the Home Ministry had last week said Unlock 1 will be initiated in the country from June 8th, under which the nationwide lockdown, which came into effect from March 25th, will be relaxed to a great extent, including the opening of shopping malls, restaurants and religious places. Those strict restrictions will remain in place till June 30th in the worst hit areas. In light of that, the Union Health Ministry rolled out guidelines for people wanting to visit the malls from June 8th. So for this reason, let's just understand and break it down for you. What are the guidelines for all of you who want to visit these malls here? Well, firstly, the customers visiting the malls will have to mandatory be screened for temperature at the entrance. So whenever you visit a mall, you will be screened for temperature. Thermal scanners will be deployed. People who will be there, they will be deployed with thermal scanners. Secondly, visitors will be allowed only if they use face cover or mask, which should be worn at all times inside the premises. So thirdly, will be only asymptomatic customers and visitors will be allowed, and they should wear face masks and face covers as well. Visitor entry to shopping malls will be allowed in a staggered manner. That is, only very few people will be allowed. So it will be in batch wise that you will be allowed to enter these malls. Social distancing and other preventive measures should be followed in the malls while shopping. All of you know how social distancing, hand sanitizers and masks are part of your life now. So you will have to ensure that when you are at a shop, you will have to maintain social distancing. Well, people should make use of sanitizers whenever necessary, which will be placed around the mall as well. You have been making use of sanitizers, so the same will be placed at several junctures in these malls as well, so you can make use of them. Physical distancing of minimum of 6 feet. 2 gaz duri is what Prime Minister Modi had said. So 6 feet is where you will have to maintain when queuing up for entry into shops. Should be maintained by all of these customers. The number of customers inside the shop should be kept at a minimum. Very few people will be allowed, so probably say 10 people at a time in each of these shops, and then the next 10 will have to enter. The number of people in the elevators as well, this is an important point, do listen. The number of people in the elevator should be restricted. Probably earlier it was 10 to 15. Now probably only 4 of you will be allowed to go in all of these elevators. On the other hand, use of escalators with one person on alternative steps will be encouraged in most of these malls. So these are few of the rules which you will have to keep in mind when you visit your nearest mall. On the other hand, now, for owners of these malls, what are the guidelines which they will have to follow, which they will have to keep in mind? All employees who are at high risk, like the elderly, pregnant women, and those having underlying medical conditions, should take extra precautions, and probably they will have to stay at home itself, because that is much better, because there are more chances that you might contract the virus. Adequate manpower should be deployed by the management to ensure social distancing norms are followed everywhere. Like you will have to follow, the same way there will have to be security guards at every juncture where they ensure that social distancing is followed. They should preferably not be exposed to any frontline work requiring direct contact with the public as well. So all they'll have to do, probably have to wear gloves, and they'll have to wear face shields as well, and maintain social distancing. The management should facilitate work from home wherever feasible. So they will have to ensure that work from home is also a possible solution for many of the workers there. There should be proper crowd management in the parking lots and outside the premises as well. Parking lot is an area where most of them crowd around. So there as well, proper social distancing will have to be followed. Posters and audio-visual media on preventive measures about COVID-19 should be displayed prominently. So everywhere there has to be an LCD screen, or there has to be posters where people can know what they will have to do, what they are not allowed to do in all of these malls. Separate entry and exits for visitors, workers and goods and supplies shall be organized. This way there will be less crowding in areas. The staff for home deliveries should be screened thermally by the shopping mall authorities prior to allowing home deliveries, and required precautions while handling supplies, inventories and goods in the shopping mall must be ensured. So all of them will have to be scanned, and only then they can go for home delivery. So these are a few of the points which the mall owners will have to take. Now, all of you will also, go ahead, visit your food court. That is the most preferred area for most of you. So, what are the guidelines and what are the steps that the shop owners will have to take, or the mall owners, as well as yourself? What are the steps you will have to follow? Firstly, frequently touched surfaces like doorknobs, elevator buttons, handrails, benches and washroom should be cleaned and regularly disinfected. And at the same time, you as well, do keep yourself clean. Personal hygiene should be there, and at the same time, do not touch the railing or do not touch the elevator railings and shafts, so that way you will not be contracting this particular virus. Now, deep cleaning of all the washrooms shall be ensured at regular intervals. That is up to the mall owners. They will have to take initiatives to ensure that very few people are allowed inside, and at the same time, it is disinfected every time a person comes out. Now, at food courts, adequate crowd and queue management is to be ensured. Like we said earlier, enough security has to be deployed so that the social distancing is maintained, and even at the food court, the same will have to follow. Not more than 50% of seating capacity should be permitted at most of these shops. So probably more than 50% people will not be allowed. So you will have to wait in long queues, and you will have to wait for your turn to occupy the seat. And it will be placed in such a way that there will be 6 feet difference, or 6 feet in length from each one of your tables. So that way you will not come in contact with others as well. Now, food court staff should wear masks. They have to wear hand gloves and take other required precautionary measures as well, just to ensure that you do not come in contact, nor do you spread the virus if you have. Tables should be sanitized each time a customer leaves the area. This is very important. The mall owners, the food court, the shop owners, they will have to ensure that all the tables are cleaned each time a person leaves the table. On the other hand, an important note for all the kids as well as pregnant women or the elderly persons, they're not allowed. Or most of the gaming arcades, children play areas and cinema halls, all of this will remain shut. So they will not be open at all. So this way it will be a big change will be there. All of you have been waiting for this moment where the malls will reopen, but probably these are few of the guidelines that you will have to follow, and at the same time it is good for you itself so that you do not contract the virus, nor do you spread the infection as well. Hope you like this video. Do leave your comments down below in the comment section. Also, do tell us what we have to cover. What do you want us to cover? Hit the bell icon, follow us on all the social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.